Good morning. This is Lavetta with my outfit of the day. Pants and top. I've had it for a long time and never wore it because I never knew how to do the top. So today I played with the top and this is what I came up with. And what do y'all think? It is very lightweight, it's comfortable, it's cooling. The pants have a little satin shorts underneath them. And you probably could do more with this top. I'm not sure. I was tying it up different ways, but this is what I like the best. And I think this is the right way. What do you think?